90 species in genus Bulbine. January 6th. Bulbine. January 6th is marked by Bulbine, the star-shaped healer. Bulbine, known for its healing properties, reflects your ability to uplift others. You possess an innate wisdom and a bright personality that inspires hope and renewal in those around you. My fascination with the Bulbine genus. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always drawn to unique and resilient flora. Lately, I've been captivated by the Bulbine genus, a diverse group of succulent plants predominantly hailing from southern Africa, belong to the Asphodelaceae family. What initially attracted me was their vibrant display of yellow or orange flowers, and their hardy nature, capable of thriving in arid environments. But as I delved deeper, I discovered a world of fascinating characteristics and a surprising number of species. A closer look at Bulbine. The name Bulbine originates from the Latin word bulbus, meaning onion or bulb. This is somewhat misleading, as not all Bulbine species possess a bulbous base. Instead, they exhibit a variety of growth habits, ranging from creeping ground covers to small shrubs. What unites them are their succulent leaves, often arranged in rosettes, and their distinctive flowers. These blooms typically feature 6 petals and prominent stamens covered in hair-like filaments, giving them a fuzzy appearance. This characteristic is key in differentiating Bulbine from its close relative, Bulbinella. Exploring the diversity of Bulbine species. The Bulbine genus encompasses a vast array of species, each with its own unique charm. See more at monsteraholic.com. The allure of Bulbine. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Bulbine species offer several advantages for gardeners and plant lovers. Drought tolerance. Their succulent nature allows them to store water, making them ideal for dry climates and low-water gardens. Low maintenance. Bulbines are generally low-maintenance plants, requiring minimal watering and fertilization. Medicinal properties. Some Bulbine species, like Bulbine frutescens and Bulbine natalensis, have traditional medicinal uses for treating burns, wounds, and skin irritations. Ecological benefits. Bulbine flowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, contributing to a healthy ecosystem. My personal experience with Bulbine. I recently added a few Bulbine frutescens plants to my garden, and I've been impressed by their resilience and beauty. They've thrived in the hot, dry conditions, requiring little attention from me. Their cheerful yellow flowers have brightened up a previously barren corner of my yard, and I've even noticed more bees buzzing around. I'm eager to expand my Bulbine collection and explore the unique characteristics of other species. I'm particularly interested in trying Bulbine natalensis, given its medicinal properties and striking appearance. Conclusion. The Bulbine genus offers a fascinating array of succulent plants that are both beautiful and adaptable. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious beginner, I highly recommend exploring the world of Bulbine. Their vibrant flowers, low-maintenance nature, and potential medicinal benefits make them a valuable addition to any plant collection. I, for one, am excited to continue my journey of discovery with these captivating plants.